So, what have we been up to with the Spidex Game Engine for the last couple of weeks? Not a lot to show. I've done a little bit of code abstraction, so I've taken created a Windows manager to take the creation of the window out of the main form. I've been trying to abstract some of the code out of there because we were getting so much code in this one, so I've been working on that. I've got rid of the shaders. The shaders are all off into a different file now. Apart from that, I've not done a great deal. I've not added much to it because, like I say, I want to do the code abstraction. The program itself is pretty much similar to what it's been, with the exception I've fathomed a couple of things out that were irritating me. We can now adjust the light on this, so we can change the brightness of the light for this ambient light. We can also change the position of it, so I've got a bit more control over the light, and I've also managed to get the light to show up on these textured cubes, which I was having problems with. But apart from that, I haven't really. I didn't want to just keep adding bits to it. One of my next things is I want to be able to come in here and click a button and add another light into the thing. When I highlight that light, select that light, I then want to be able to interact with it on here. I've still not got my head round how you click on an object to select it. I've done lots and lots of reading on that, and it's still going over the top of my head. Not that it takes a lot to do that, but I'm working on it. It's all still chugging away nicely in the background. And then on the side of that, I don't know why I've done this, but I've also done a little tiny bit with Vulkan. I decided I was going to have a little look at what Vulkan was to do with, and set up a basically set up a window using Vulkan, which has been rather more of a challenge than using OpenGL. It's rather quite complicated. It's only something just to break up the day sort of thing, and not just continually banging my head against the wall on the OpenGL project that I've got going. It was quite interesting setting it up. The idea is to be able to draw a triangle on screen using Vulkan, and then that was probably as far as that will go, and it'll be all back to this engine, which is obviously the one that I'm concentrating most of my energies on, because I really do enjoy this. This really keeps me awake at night thinking about all the different things I could add to this and such like. Anyhow, that's as far as it's got at the moment, so thanks for watching if you did.